Hi there, I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to repair Huawei LYO-L02. We have here one sample which has the Imei damaged, as you can see. So in order to repair this, I'm going to use the Fly Captain Huawei module from Furiousgold. I'm going to check in the software no MTK USB mode. And now we are going to power off the device. And press detect phone on the software. While the software searches for the phone, I'm going to insert the USB cable inside our phone. And if everything is okay, the software should detect the phone. As you can see, the phone got detected, and it's hanged on the Huawei logo. Now I'm going to the repair tab, and I'm going to repair Imei number 1 with the original Imei from the back of the phone. Imei number 2 I'm not going to fix because this is not a dual SIM phone. I'm going to simply press repair. That is, the phone rebooted. Now let's power it on. Let's check the serial number. So as you can see, the Imei got successfully repaired. It's the same as the one we entered in the software. Thanks for watching and thanks for using our products. Bye.